Hello friends, welcome back. Today I've got an Amazon Basics mousepad. This is an extended mousepad, so we are going to do a quick review of it, how the mousepad is and how it works. So let's get started. So we have got this huge mouse pad and it is fully rubberized from the back side. It has gotten 3 mm of rubber and nice and sturdy. I have kept it on a glass and it is not at all moving because of the rubber beneath it. So the rubber is holding the pad at its place, so there is no problem that it is being skid away. So that is a good quality of it. Yeah, let's see the edges. The edges are not that finished, but it's okay. So this is a huge mouse pad. We've got a nice surface. This is a smooth cloth over it, and this is around 36 inch by 12 inch. So you need a big table to accommodate it. So it can accommodate both your keyboard and mouse. So if you are a video editor or a gamer or who use the mouse extensively, it is the best product for them. You get in a many other sizes also if you are having a small table, so you can opt for a small mouse pad, but I've got this an extended one, so this is very huge and large, so it will satisfy all your needs, and you can keep your other stuffs like mobiles and keys, whatever you would like to keep it on table, so it will be nice and safe. It will not skid over. Now let's see the mouse performance, how the mouse is being performed on this mouse pad. So I'm trying to use this mouse over the mouse pad and it seems pretty good, and the sensitivity is also very good for this, so I am not feeling any problem with it. So at this price point of 649 rupees, this is a pretty good mouse pad with a large surface, and if you are planning to buy this, you can get the link in the description box below. So this was a quick and short review and unboxing of Amazon Basics extended mousepad. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel. We'll come back with the next video some another time. Until then, goodbye.